is ROS2 M3, an embodied intelligent ROS2 robot based on AI large model. It adopts a mechanism wheel suspension chassis, supports 360-degree omnidirectional movement. It can achieve lateral translation and diagonal driving. This greatly enhances the robot's mobility and flexibility in complex environments. M3 can be equipped with RDK-X5, Raspberry Pi 5, or Jetson Master controllers. Integrated depth camera, LiDAR, high-performance configurations such as AI large model voice module, and so on. By deeply integrating large language model, large voice model, and large visual model, M3 is capable of accurately sensing its environment and engage in contextualized intelligent interaction with users.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Describe what you saw.
I saw an apple, a game handle, a small tree, a toy car, and traffic lights.
Visual analysis capabilities. Based on multimodal large models, M3 can autonomously identify and track target objects in complex environments.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Track objects about buildings.
I saw the apple on the top of the building and I'm tracking it.
The M3 can also be used with autonomous driving track map, supports traditional vision-based autonomous driving applications, such as autonomous parking, steering decision, traffic light recognition, and so on, provides an immersive autonomous driving experience. In the sand table scene, M3 can integrate AI multimodal large models with ROS2 road network planning, combined with the preset road range, autonomous route planning, and recognize road signs on the sand table in real time to achieve a higher level and more intelligent autonomous driving experience.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Begin today's park inspection. Check if the production workshop is short of materials. If so, please go to the material area to retrieve and replenish the materials. Please follow traffic rules throughout the inspection.
Okay, I'll navigate to the production workshop first to check on the production status. The production workshop is short of red materials. Go to the materials area to retrieve it. I found the red material. Now, let's transport it back to the production workshop. The red material has been transported back to the production workshop. Mission completed.
M3 can even anticipate user intentions, autonomous task planning, and dynamic response. Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
I cut my finger by accident.
Don't worry, I'll head to the infirmary right away to see if there are any medical supplies that can help you. I found a first aid kit in the infirmary. Let's treat the wound quickly.
In addition, the M3 also supports the function of interrupting free conversations. Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Drive along the blue line in front of you.
Okay, I'm starting to drive along the blue line now.
Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Change to driving along the red line in front of you.
Received. I'm now driving along the red line.
Furthermore, the M3 can handle long and complex tasks. Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
Move forward 1 meter, back 1 second, move 50 centimeters to the left, move 50 centimeters to the right, move 30 centimeters to the left front, then turn on the running lights, and finally dance for me.
Alright, I'll start carrying out your instructions now. Now I'll turn on the running lights and then have a cool dance for you.
M3 offers a variety of mapping algorithms, coordinate with relocation navigation scheme, effectively reduce positioning drift, supports single-point navigation and multi-point navigation, and dynamic obstacle avoidance. Accompanying dedicated mapping navigation app, easily create maps and control remotely with your mobile phone. Supports multi-point navigation and cruise for multiple robots on the same map. Can achieve multi-machine synchronous control. Formation performance. Equipped with a 3D structured light depth camera, the M3 can generate depth images and point cloud data in real time. Implement distance measurement gameplay. Hi Yahboom.
I'm here.
What are the closest and furthest animals to you? Please maintain a safe distance of 50 centimeters from them.
The furthest animal was the little yellow dog on the roof, 0.7 meters away from me, and the closest was the cow, 0.3 meters away from me. I needed to back up to maintain a safe distance.
Via MediaPipe framework, M3 can be expanded with interactive features such as gesture following. Equipped with YOLO deep learning model, the M3 can achieve real-time tracking of specific individuals, combined with the distance perception capabilities of depth cameras. The M3 can achieve three-dimensional following with spatial distance perception. Furthermore, we also provide comprehensive teaching courses and experimental cases to meet diverse teaching and research needs. This is the ROS Master M3, exploring the infinite possibilities of embodied intelligence.